Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome to week 8. There are a few things I want to talk to you about. First one is this week is a normal week. You don't have any assessments or exams. You don't have any portfolio projects. It's pretty straightforward. And so you have some time to review things. Now, one of the things I want you to do is review your exam from week 7. If you score less than a 75%, I need to, by university rule, change your score to a 0, and you should retake it. If you score any other score, you can retake it, and the higher score will be kept. So if you score a 80% on the first time and a 60% on the second time, then your score will stay at 80%. So there is no reason why you shouldn't retake the exam. And so make sure you do that. The other thing is make sure you're tracking your expenses and incomes, because we will need to turn that in again. One thing I want you to think about, there's a lot of research on the brain recently and about people who can do math and people who think they can't do math. I believe everybody can do math. Sometimes it comes at a different time or a different speed than others, but everybody can do math. So let's look at this right here. This is from a professor at a university that I like to follow. But she is a math professor and also researches the human brain. Everybody can learn math at a high level, or at the highest level. And so mistakes are valuable. I think sometimes we feel bad when we make mistakes. That's the reason why I want you to look at your exam again and see if you can learn from that. Questions are really important. You should question why things happen, why you do certain things, and if you want to email me about those or put them on the discussion board, we can talk about those, but questions are really important. Math is about creativity and sense making. I relate math to puzzles, and if you can figure out how to do a puzzle and put which piece where, that's the same thing as math. It's not trying to trick you, it's just trying to see if you know which piece goes where. And then math is about connections and communicating, and we need to be able to communicate what we're learning and make those connections to real life. And then this is one that I think a lot of people struggled with when they were younger, but depth is more important than speed. Math is not about doing it the fastest. Math is about understanding what you're doing. And then math class is about learning, not performing. And so just make sure that you're learning the information that you should be learning and not just always just getting the right answer because you know how to do step 1 and step 2 and step 3. But it's been a great time. We're more than halfway through, so I appreciate all of your hard work. Please email me if you have any questions, and I look forward to continually working with you.